In today's education, parents often push for high academic performance from their kids, adding stress on teachers who are already dealing with a lot. Society tends to overlook the fact that happy and supported teachers are crucial for students to do well. If teachers feel good, students do better. It's time to recognize and address this for a healthier learning environment. Teachers should choose the teaching profession with genuine commitment, not as a casual endeavor. Teaching is a challenging task, often requiring sacrifices. It's a calling, not just a job. If you're not committed, it may not be the right fit for you. Acknowledge this reality. These are some factors that teachers can improve to make their lives easier, reduce stress, and enjoy their profession more. 1. Establish boundaries. Clearly define the time for work and personal life. Avoid bringing work-related tasks home every day. You can communicate to the school authorities that you are not disturbing the school due to issues at home and in turn. You expect not to be disturbed at home because of school matters. Emphasize that any additional work related to the school should be compensated accordingly, as it is not covered by your current responsibilities or compensation. 2. Unplug and disconnect. Set specific times to check emails and messages. Avoid constantly checking work-related communications during personal time. Train your school heads that you are not available at all hours. 3. Set realistic expectations. Understand that you can't do everything. Set realistic expectations for yourself both at work and in your personal life. 4. Learn to delegate, if possible, delegate tasks at work and share responsibilities. Don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. If you feel that you have been assigned extra tasks beyond the scope of your contract and duties, talk to the school heads to either distribute them among different individuals or seek assistance. 5. Regular breaks. Plan regular breaks and vacations. Taking time away from work, even if it's just a short break, can help you recharge and come back with a fresh perspective. 6. Time for yourself. Dedicate some time each day to be alone and recharge. This could be as simple as taking a quiet walk, reading a book, or enjoying a hot bath. 7. Continuous professional development. Stay updated with new teaching methods and technologies. Attend workshops or conferences to enhance your skills and knowledge. This will help you in managing different tasks. 8. Learn to say no. Remember, you should have confidence in yourself, make yourself professional, and understand that good schools need you rather than you need a good school. So, don't burden yourself. Education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. As a teacher, you hold the master key that opens the door to possibilities, inspiration, and a future of endless potential for your students. We are proud of you. Well done.